So your good name is?
Anil Kumar, sir.
Anil Kumar. So you are from which place?
Davangere.
Davangere. What is your age?
42.
42. So you had a alcoholic liver cirrhosis
Oh, sir.
and esophageal varice.
Okay.
And you have taken the treatment from October. Okay. Anyway, now your son-in-law is explaining very well. I will ask him only to explain how you were earlier, how you are here. So you just explain me.
No, actually, when we get in here, personally, I was in a state like very bad state it was, which I cannot even imagine when I was in very healthy age. So I was in that bad condition. Then after 2-3 months with this medicine, what he got, it's an extremely extremely well situation is in now, and we feel that we are very grateful that we got a correct way, and we are in the correct at the right place at the right time. That's a miracle.
What was the body weight earlier when you came over here? 70 kilo.
69, 70.
What was the position of your stomach at that time?
Earlier is 46 and a half. Now is 32, 33.
That size what you are saying is?
Size.
Ascites, how much it was there earlier? In the sense accumulation of water in the stomach.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಇತ್ತು?
46 ಇಂಚ್ ಇತ್ತು.
46.5 inch. The
33 ಇದೆ.
33. So almost how much weight has reduced? How much water has come out? That means.
ಹೋದ ತಿಂಗಳು 56 ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಈ ಸತಿ 52 kg ಆಗಿದೆ.
Weight is 56. That's what.
So
Compared
that,
to that stomach one,
69.
almost 70%, 70 to more than 80% it has been reduced.
Reduced.
Yeah.
ಈಗ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಊತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ,
ಊಟ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಅವರು 34 ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಸೈಜ್ ಕೂಡ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕೇಮ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಲಿವರ್ ಸಿರೋಸಿಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಸೋಫೇಜಿಯಲ್ ವರೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ?
ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಭಾಳ ಮುಂದಿತ್ತು. ನಿದ್ರೆ, ಉಸಿರಾಟ ತೊಂದರೆ,
ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್,
ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗಳು ಹತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗೋದು,
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ,
ಮಲಗಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಷನ್ ಇಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾನಿಕ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಟಾನಿಕ್ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು
ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಮೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. But I am very happy that even kidney function also, it was earlier 13 point something, now 60 plus EGFR rate. Creatinine was 3 point something, now it is a
3.4 it was, now it is 1.4.
So holistically entire body has got rejuvenated. Very good, excellent.